I also like to think about creating an axis in a house where the natural lighting comes into a building. How does light come into a building? It comes in through windows. So where you position your windows becomes really important. So with air and light, I like to create an access through a house where everything brings light into the house and it keeps moving to the house, through the house. And so one of the things that obstructs that is a door. And so I use lamy glass in a door. Like this is the door to the master bedroom. Opposite that door is a natural light coming from a window. And then I use this lamy glass that's frosted on the inside so the outside's smooth so you can keep it clean. The old style frosted glass used to get dirty because it would get hand oil prints on it. So I have the doors to the closets, have a window opposite them. The guest bath has a window opposite it. The main closet and the master bath have windows and doors that all use this lamy glass. So what ends up happening is when I close this door, there's no light on in this room except the light outside is passing through that window and through this door into the house and through the house. That's the concept. Our design criteria for indoor air quality was to think about where does light and air come through a house when you're living in it, and what are the comforts and the benefits of controlling where the air goes through a house. So in this particular house, it's two-story, and I've had a lot of luck with, I have a Craftsman style, and they wanted a nice looking door, so I've had a lot of luck with getting like a Craftsman style door like this, which is called an F44 style, but finding something that nice that also had a window in it that is screened and that operates so I can let fresh air into the house. And so on a two-story, what the benefit is that at the front door on the first level, I have this door. At mid-level, at the stairway, I have this door. And then, so what happens when this window's open is that air blows through the first floor and hot air rises and it just naturally draws it upstairs. So now I'm going upstairs into the second floor. So I'll take you upstairs on the second floor and show you where that air goes through that house. For example, once we decided how to make the downstairs air flow to the upstairs and out, I built these pocket doors with screens on them that are on both sides of the great room with a deck on both sides. So there's two ways that they can function. The air from the downstairs flows up the stairs and flows out these doors. If it's a nice day and you want to have the doors on both sides of the house open, you can open on both sides. You have a nice gentle breeze that blows through the whole house. And then also if the doors are closed, above the doors are a dormer with transom windows that crank open. And so you create this nice little wind tunnel and a nice comfortable space. So if you think about it, why should you buy a piece of equipment or an appliance to blow the air around in your room and create that comfort and spend energy and electricity and utility to do that when you can use what Mother Nature gave us and use the natural airflows or create airflows that give you the comforts that you need in your home?
Hi, my name is Dana Harrison and I am with Aquel Water. I met with Joe Campanelli of Campanelli Construction and he asked what would be the greenest, best possible drinking water system to put in this house. And this is the world's first patented drinking water bar that Aquel actually designed and patented. The advantages of the Aquel drinking water bar are numerous. The first advantage is it's giving you the filtered mineral water as well as the reverse osmosis mineral-free water on tap so that you have the choice. There's no other drinking water system that can offer you that choice. And the result of that choice is you can actually create your own designer water, which is what the bottled water companies do when they mix the mineral and the mineral-free water and then brand it and sell it to you. And of course it costs money and it costs our environment with the plastics, and it costs our health, some people claim, with the plastics and the different things that leach from the plastic bottles into the water. Because our vision at Aquel is defining and designing products that take us through the next century with a very limited and challenged water resource, we are working very hard and have other patents pending now on water protection products that both protect the home, the business, the commerce, as well as make better use of the minimal amount of water that we want to use. We send about 98% of our water through our home down the drain. And our big water systems take care to make sure that in the process of that water moving through the house, that the infrastructure is not affected, the appliance is not affected, so we get the lifespan out of our hard goods that we need to. And on the drinking water side, that we get the quality, and we are constantly monitoring the water to make sure that the final product is water that you can trust and know that you're getting the best that water has to offer.